Tired of juggling Asana and Slack, feeling like important updates are constantly slipping through the cracks? Well, get ready to transform your workflow, because in the next minute, I'm going to show you how to automate Asana into Slack so you can kiss those missed deadlines goodbye. First, let's jump into Asana. Make sure you are logged into your Asana account and navigate to the project you want to connect with Slack. Now, look for the Project Actions menu, usually represented by 3 dots or a drop-down arrow, typically located near the project name at the top. Click on Customize. This section allows you to add or remove integrations in apps. Scroll down until you see the Apps section. Here you can see the available integration options with Asana. Now, search for Slack. Once found, click on the Add to Project button. A pop-up window should appear, redirecting you to Slack. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection between your Asana workspace and your Slack workspace. Be sure to select the correct Slack workspace if you have multiple. Next, you'll need to choose the specific Slack channel where you want to receive Asana notifications. Think about which channel is most relevant to the project and where you want your team to see those updates. Now it's time to configure what notifications you want to send to Slack. Select the events for which you want to receive updates. Common options include new task assignments, due date reminders, comments added to tasks, and task completion. Customize it to your preferences. Finally, save your settings to test the integration. Make a change to a task in Asana, like assigning it to someone or updating its status, and you should immediately see a notification pop up in your chosen Slack channel. And just like that, you've automated Asana into Slack for seamless updates.